In recent years, India has maintained a cautious approach towards the cryptocurrency market. However, recent developments suggest a potential shift in regulatory stance. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has hinted at exploring regulatory options for cryptocurrencies, signaling a willingness to engage with this evolving market. SEBI's proposal to distribute oversight of cryptocurrency trading among various authorities could bring significant changes to the Indian crypto landscape. According to Reuters, SEBI's recommendation to a government panel responsible for shaping finance ministry policy suggests a potential shift towards a more conducive environment for cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors in India. The proposal contrasts with the Reserve Bank of India's RBI stance, which reportedly supports a ban on stablecoins. The RBI has expressed concerns about cryptocurrencies posing threats to policy sovereignty and fiscal stability. SEBI's suggestions include monitoring cryptocurrencies resembling securities and initial coin offerings, ICOs, and issuing licenses for equity market-related products. Additionally, RBI could regulate assets backed by fiat currencies like stablecoins, while the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, RDAI, could supervise insurance and pension-related virtual assets. Resolution of investor grievances in cryptocurrencies is proposed to fall under India's Consumer Protection Act, indicating a growing recognition of cryptocurrency's importance. The potential shift in regulatory approach could bring clarity and legitimacy to India's cryptocurrency market, similar to the US SEC's oversight. This could attract more investors and encourage innovation in blockchain technology. As SEBI considers regulatory options and RBI maintains its cautious stance, India's cryptocurrency landscape is at a turning point. Stay tuned for updates on how these developments unfold and their impact on the Indian financial ecosystem.